Hey man, say man, it's your boy Jay Shiesty back at y'all with another video, man. Today we got another divorce court vid, man. Let's get into it.
Heard the wildest case this morning. Did you know a third of couples who own businesses say the work is a strain on their marriage? For the couple today, their failed business started a chain reaction in their marriage.
Oh shit.
Divorce court is now in session.
Mr. and Mrs. Ware, you have been married for how long?
7 years.
7 years.
Yeah,
You
that's
do
a
not
long
want to be
time.
married anymore. Underlying these problems is in part your professions. You are a stripper and you are a webcam porn
Yeah. Webcam porn.
operator, or
Model.
what's the job classification?
Model. Webcam porn model. Webcam porn model.
Model.
Yeah.
And they really thought this is gonna work. She a stripper and he record porn. How did they thought this marriage was gonna work, bro?
Really?
Yeah.
I'd
It's
ask,
nuts,
but I don't
bro.
think I want to know.
It's probably enough information.
And look at him smiling
You
like he wished that was
say
his job.
in the beginning, what you were doing wasn't a problem with your husband, but it became a problem later on. Why don't you explain what happened?
Well, when I met Robert, we met at a party. I gave him my number. I really didn't acknowledge him that much because I was going through other things at the time. Maybe a couple months down the road, went to pick up one of my friends, and he happened to be there, and he approached me and was like, "I know you." I said, "No." He was like, "Yes," and he read off my number to me, and I was like, "Oh, yeah?" And he was like, "Well," he reminded me of when we met at the party, and then I started to remember.
Oh, so she get her
Right.
number out on the
when we
regular.
met. Everything was good. He came to work with me every night at the club. Everything was wonderful. We started to catch feelings. November came. I had asked him if he wanted to get married, and we agreed that we would. 2 months.
You asked him?
Yes, I asked him if we.
How long you been together before you asked him?
We met in about May, so about 7 months.
7
we were
months.
together, yes.
All right.
And then 2 months after, we found out I was pregnant, so we postponed our wedding for a whole nother year.
Now,
It was
back in the
moving
day when you found
fast
out
as
you
a
were pregnant, you
motherfucker.
brought the wedding forward and not postponed it. But
It was
it's a
moving
different day and
extra
time. I get that
fast.
part. Go ahead.
We could have had it while I was pregnant, but I didn't want to be pregnant in a wedding dress. So
That look good. Okay.
we had our daughter. 6 days after we had her, she passed away. And 6 weeks after I had her, you go into the doctor and get checked for.
Hey, bro, I wonder how that feel, bro. Like, I feel like that gotta be the worst feeling in the world, gang. To lose a child, bro. That's
Everything.
crazy.
Well, I found out that my husband had cheated and gave me an STD. And I carried it from May till after she was born. And I've never lost it.
So so while dude being freaky with the other little yes, he caused her to lose her daughter, bro. That's wick, bro. Like, you sitting here being freaky deaky knowing your wife is pregnant, bro. Your soon to be wife is pregnant. Your fiance is pregnant. Give her STD, now she lose the kid.
Anything
That shit
before.
crazy, bro.
So it was really, really hard for me. I didn't know how to deal with it. I didn't know how to feel about him. I didn't know how to feel about losing our daughter.
Wicked.
It was just so much.
And that's got nothing to do with the fact you never lost anything before, because you losing a kid is totally different from the loss of anything else. That's just just in the realm of it's just not supposed to happen, and it's so very wrong. And I'm sorry for you. Do you believe that that circumstance altered your relationship with Mr. Ware?
Yes,
In what way?
in very many ways. When it first happened, I was still grieving, so I needed him there with me. But at the same time, it was like
You did
I didn't know
this.
how to feel because the fact that you cheated on me when we were engaged
And you
I
were
was
resentful
pregnant.
and angry, and you didn't know if that wrong that he did took that life from you. I understand that. Mr. Ware, is
Yeah.
she fairly accurate about the events that she's told me about so far?
Yeah, yeah, she's
How
fairly
do you
accurate.
believe that loss affected your marriage? Did it change how you felt about her?
It brought up a lot of arguments, of course, because I did research. I don't feel that the STD caused the death of our child, so that brought up a whole lot of issues. And
Dang,
I
bro,
understand
that's
her grieving
crazy.
process is different than mine. So I lost both of my parents at 8. So, you know what I mean? And when our daughter died, she died in my arms while I was asleep. So,
Did you appreciate her grieving process? In other words, though it was different from yours, did you help her through it?
I
Or
feel
did you
I did.
choose to grieve in your own
Nope.
way and let her
Hey, when he
grieve
made that face, I feel like it. No, he did not.
on her
No,
own?
he didn't.
No, I feel that I helped her through it. Her grieving process was different from mine in a way I shell up. She, in my opinion, more or less seeked attention from other people. You know, so,
She sought attention from other people?
yeah.
She was seeking support, is what she was seeking. You lose a child, you're so empty. You are so lost. You
Yeah.
are so needy.
You seek emotional support, not physical.
Okay. Do you believe she started seeing other men?
She's getting cracked.
I can't believe she was seeing other men before that. I just wasn't paying attention because I had never caught her cheating. So when the time that I did caught her cheating, that's when I started paying attention.
When did you catch her cheating, before or after the baby?
After the baby, after she
Damn.
caught me cheating and we lost the baby, we had a long conversation about how we was gonna stick together. This is gonna make us stronger. She wouldn't cheat on me, and we went from there. And then about a year, probably about a year after we moved to Phoenix is when I found the first time that she was cheating.
Were you cheating on him?
Yes, Your Honor.
With whom and why?
Bro, she said it like just straight face, don't care. Yes, Your Honor. Like, what
No
the
names,
fuck?
but how did that happen?
Just somebody I met. I felt betrayed. Before our daughter and after she died, I had never cheated on him. I wouldn't even dream of it. He was my life, my everything. I did everything for that man. And when I found out that he cheated, I just
Didn't care.
felt betrayed in every aspect,
In every way.
in every way.
Do you kind of get that part, though?
It's a fact, though.
Yeah,
You know it coming
I
again.
Do you
get where
see
she's
that?
coming from. I don't agree with it. I understand it.
Oh, I don't
with
agree
it.
with it either. I don't think cheating on somebody in retaliation is ever the way to go.
Right.
Facts.
But she forgave you for your cheating.
Right.
Have you forgiven her for hers?
Too many times.
So you just did it once and she's done it regularly?
I didn't do it once. It became a game, back and forth.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't let me
So,
catch you if I catch you. Okay.
I guess with the first time I caught her cheating, she had went to South Dakota for a stripping trip. I was still in Arizona running our business, our dog grooming business, and taking care of her daughters. And I got a phone call from a friend that said, "Hey, are you still married to your wife?" And I said, "Yeah, why?" "Well, she's here at this water park with her daughter and this guy, and they're all sitting there eating and laughing." I said, "You're lying. Send me a picture." So she sent me a picture. And as soon as she sent me the picture, of course, I called her. I didn't get no answer. I got an answer about an hour later. She told me she seen somebody there that she knew. She didn't come with them. She didn't eat with them, none of that. And we argued, like, the whole time she was driving home. And then a little while later, I found out the whole time I'm arguing with her, she's giving this dude a ride home. He right there in the passenger seat beside her. So,
So everything just fell apart.
What the Bro, I swear I'm crashing. If I ever catch my girl doing some shit like that, I'm crashing out, bro.
it did.
Crashing out.
Everything fell apart. I got it.
It did.
I mean, everybody was doing whatever they
Yes.
needed to do.
In
Is that
my-
accurate?
That's accurate, but in my situation, I didn't agree to an open relationship. It was this, you know, if you're not going with me, and I already don't trust you, do you expect me to trust you now?
Damn, bro. Hey, this low-key a good one.
Have you been living together for years but find that splitting up is as complicated
You haven't listened?
Fuck, yo,
You
we
type
steady
it
getting
in?
ads, bro. We steady getting ads, bro. I need y'all to sub up, bro. No free promo on this channel.
Mr. Ware, you say you don't think your wife really knows what she wants. What do you mean by that?
By that I mean, like, in a way, okay, for example, we lost our dog grooming business. We
Damn.
moved, we planned to move to DC. That was her idea. And I hadn't been home in like 10 years. So I'm like, awesome, let's do it. So we sell all our assets, cars, four-wheelers, couches, everything. And we plan to move to DC. We get a U-Haul, all that. 3 days before it's time to go, she tells me she's not ready, she needs to find herself. So I'm like, what do you mean you're not ready? You need to find yourself. She's like, I'm just not ready, I need to find myself. So I said, well, okay, I'm going to DC. And she's like, well, I'll come down there later after I find myself, get everything figured out. And I'm like, okay, so you're gonna keep staying here, messing with your ex-boyfriends? You think I'm gonna go to DC and just wait on you? I'm gonna go to DC and do me.
What happened with the dog grooming business and DC? Did it occur like that?
No. A part of it was because the clientele we were dealing with was racist. They weren't too happy about him grooming their dog. I would have a lot of complaints about it. It's wrong. I had wanted to move to DC, but I felt that Robert needed to go down and get a job. If I would have went to DC with him at the time, it would have been worse on us, more stressful than what we're already
But
dealing
did he
with.
know that going in? I mean, did you say, hey, let's go?
I feel like that's the
and
obvious
then
stuff.
right
You
when
going
you got
somewhere.
ready to go, you backed out?
We both agreed to go. We felt that our life would be better there. And I just...
Well, let me ask you this. Did you have another dude where you were? Was that,
No,
did that
not at
at
that
all
time.
play a part in it? Because it seems to me that you two had an open relationship.
Not at that time is crazy. She is wicked. Like, I like how she honest, but bro, not at that time is crazy. Like, imagine saying that to your man, bro. That's wicked.
After a while. I mean, everybody was doing whatever they
Yes.
needed to do.
in
Is that accurate?
That's accurate, but in my situation, I didn't agree to an open relationship. It was this, you know, if you're not going with me, and I already don't trust you, do you expect me to trust you now? Because when we moved, I just caught her cheating with her ex-boyfriend. I can't say cheating, she was hanging out with him.
Right.
I can't put a finger on it, but she was
Right,
hanging
right.
out with him. And so I'm like, I'm gonna move to DC and you're gonna stay here and find yourself?
That's a
Find
fact.
yourself where? In the bed? So
That's facts. That's facts.
But what happened in South Dakota?
We met in South Dakota. That's where we did the best. That's where our relationship was the best at. I did have to deal with a lot of the town girls saying stuff about him. I ignored it. A lot of them would say he tried to sleep with them while I was at work, and just, you know, I dealt with a lot of stuff. But I loved the man so much, and I didn't believe it. I didn't believe any of
Real
it.
bitch, real bitch.
That's always fascinated me. If somebody told me my boyfriend was cheating on me, I'm out.
Oh, yeah, this has been many of times. I've even been jumped by a girl because of him.
When women were telling you he was cheating on them, you saw that as the good times?
Yeah, because he was always with me. He was always with me.
We-
Always went to work,
we-
everything.
we was in a strip club. They was telling her anything. Hey, while you was on stage, your guy was outside in the car with me, or he was in the
Yeah.
bathroom.
They just making up
But they was
stuff.
trying to get to
Yeah.
her to get to her money. That's what girls do in the strip club. If they make her mad, she not gonna make no money,
They
right?
was trying to get to you.
I'm not even with her, so why would I need it? Why do I need to deny it?
Because you're denying it to the judge. I can't do this. I want to beat her. I'm sorry, Judge.
Damn. What? No way.
You know, my very next question to you, Mrs. Ware, was going to be just how done are you with him? And then I saw you pass him something as
was
you were
his ring.
standing there. What did you pass him?
I gave him his wedding ring.
So this is you're for sure done, because I can see so much emotion in you.
I don't want it to be done, but he expects me to wait around for whatever I'm supposed to wait for till he's ready to come
He
back to me.
wicked.
I can't do it. It's either now or I'm moving on.
Mr. Ware, what is your response to that? Are you asking her to wait until you get it together, or
I ain't gonna lie, she bring back my wedding ring, gang. I don't know, bro. Like, I feel like that's just a little crazy. Like,
do it, or are you done?
on TV
done?
though?
I'm done. I don't really have nothing I want her to wait around for. This is what I told her. At one point, you was my wife. I always had your back. I always be the father to her kids. They not my biological kids, but I've been there for them for 7 years. So if she had any problems, she can always come to me. If you got a problem with a dude, any of that, I'm gonna go deal with that. But I can't be with you. I can't give you my heart no more.
Has he been consistent with what he's saying, or does he do things or say things
well,
on
just
occasion
3 weeks ago, we had slept together in Phoenix.
3 weeks ago?
3 weeks ago, I was down in
missing
Phoenix
that
and we
kitty.
slept together. I have texts that says he loves me. I have texts that says we can work on us, but we need time. It's gonna take time.
Did you do that, Mr. Ware?
Nah, we didn't sleep together.
You didn't sleep together?
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
And I don't have a girlfriend.
That's on
You don't
my
have a
end.
I don't
girlfriend?
have
Yes,
a
he
girlfriend.
does.
I have a friend, but I don't have a girlfriend.
It's his girlfriend.
Well,
That they live together. Come on now.
well, who is
Sleep in the same bed. Whatever.
We are friends, and we working on the relationship, but I'm still in
well,
love with
who's
this woman and
Tiffany
trying to
then?
get
This is
friend.
the girl that he lives with.
Yeah.
That he got a place
and-
with.
That she's not your girlfriend?
No, but I'll tell you how I
Well,
met
let's
her.
ask her. Let's ask Tiffany.
No, let's not, because I'll beat her up.
I can tell you how I met her.
Stay right back.
You gonna deny that you slept with me because of her?
I'm not even with
You
her, so why would I
slept
need
with
it? Why
me,
do I need
Rico,
to deny it?
Because you're denying it to the judge. I can't do this. I want to beat her up. I'm sorry, Judge.
If you
I
need to
can't
leave,
Oh shit! They turned the courtroom to Jerry Springer. This motherfucker.
leave. I don't want no assaults. If you need to go, go. Let me tell you something. Don't let that anger for her own you. You've been through too much. You're too beautiful. You have too many opportunities. Don't let anybody, no one, determine your future for your. If you hit her, you go to jail. She's not worth it. I don't know her. I did nothing against you, but it's just not worth it. I want you to live past that. I want you
She
to
not playing about her little shit. She not playing about her little shit.
live on.
But he goes around and threatens every dude that I talk to, and it's okay for
Yana,
him
can I
to
say
do
something?
that.
What I want you to do is this.
Oh shit! It's about to get crazy here. It's
In
about to
divorce
get
court,
wild.
couples tell me everything about their relationship.
Never hear from a judge.
What I want you to do is this. Live a larger life that has nothing to do with him. You live well, live passionately, and live it in a manner that has nothing to do with him. You have no children together. Jump up and down and applaud yourself on that one. You don't have to deal with it.
Yeah, and I can't
And I
have
want you to
children no more.
see that he is with somebody else. So don't believe
Oh,
it.
that's
In the
crazy.
text, in the sleeping together, I want you to
That's
have
why
this
he's
image
denying
in
it,
your
though.
head. You hang on a minute.
that's-
Tiffany, if you come forward, please stand next to him.
Can I say something, Your Honor?
Yes, you can.
The whole reason why
And
I
she
know
looks
her.
pregnant. Is she pregnant, Rico?
No, she's not. The whole reason why I know her.
Judge.
Oh,
Judge.
hey, Tiffany,
Judge.
Tiffany, let me tell you something.
Yes, ma'am.
You got the man you want.
Married man.
You got the man you want. He's not going to be married much longer. Act like you got some class and some dignity.
Yes,
They've
ma'am.
been through a lot together. They lost a child together. They've had an extraordinary, long, involved, and complicated relationship. Don't come out here rubbing your tummy and looking all funny and all that. That is
Yo, they turned the courtroom to Jerry Springer. This is Wick. Like, there's no way that she's about to do all this, bro.
that's so street. That's so gutter. Don't go gutter.
Okay.
We women have a hard enough time as it is. We need to respect one another. We need to hold one another up. Keep that image in your head. Don't take no more texts from him, and don't lie to her, even by innuendo.
What am I lying about?
When you text, "I still love you," all of that, that's lying by innuendo. That's that hook
Yeah,
I
I
keep
do,
telling
and I'm
you
trying to
about.
get over that. I ain't lying to
Don't
her.
say I'm trying to get over it. Be a man. Just stop. You know
7
what I
years?
mean?
No, I'm gonna be real with you. 7 years? How do I cut off love after 7 years? You don't
I've been
flip a
trying to
you don't
figure
flip a
that
switch.
out.
Let me tell you.
You
how,
don't flip a switch.
Hey, let me tell you how you do it.
How you do it? Tell me. Please
I'm
tell
telling you how to do it.
Because I'm finna do it today.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm not saying you can switch off love. What I'm saying is you can switch off contact. You can not
I can't
make
do that.
contact.
She texts me all the time.
But
That's
what I
involved.
want from you is to be man enough not to cause her any more pain. And I want you to be woman enough not to cause her any more pain.
That's
Do you
real.
understand?
That's
Yes,
real.
ma'am, I agree.
That's
real.
all I'm asking for. Be dignified. Be better than. Rise up. Level up. You know where the gutter is. You've been in it. Let's get out. Okay?
That's real.
Good luck to all of you, and this matter is adjourned.
Thank you.
Oh shit.
What I was trying to
Hey, this was a good one, bro. They almost turned Judge Toler courtroom into Jerry Springer courtroom, bro. This is a good one, bro. Y'all stay tuned. We dropping more videos, bro. We dropping daily, bro. I took a little break, but we dropping daily, man. Videos dropping. Let me know what y'all want to see, bro. I'm trying to react. I'm trying to get all this shit content pushed out for y'all, man. I want y'all to enjoy it. I want y'all to listen to this while y'all at work. I want y'all to have fun, bro. I want y'all to just chill with me, dog, man. As always, man, y'all stay smooth. Strikes the gang, we out.